Okay, today I'm going to be working on and showing you how to remove a lot of things off this. This is a 2011 Hyundai 2.0 turbo Sonata engine. Sonata engine, it's in a lot of different Hyundais, but it's the 2.0 turbo engine. This video is to show you how to remove. It's out of the car, but I'm doing this video so when it's in the car, you see this and you get an idea of where the bolts are. It makes it just a lot easier because when I start working on the turbo and everything, it's in the back of the car and you won't be able to see anything. But I'll show you up front what bolts you got to take off on everything. So right now, this video is for the starter. Okay, so you're looking in the engine bay. All right, the engine here, transmission's going to be here. To get to the starter, basically what you're going to do. The starter's right here. All right. Now there's a bracket. I'll get the bracket. All right. First thing you're going to have to do is you should have clearance without removing the radiator fan. But there's this bracket that goes here. All right. It has 4 bolts. They're 12 millimeter. You take that out. Okay. Now on the transmission side, there's going to be a top bolt, which is 14 millimeter, and another 14 millimeter on the bottom. They're gonna go one here, one here. Again, the bell housing is gonna be here, but you get an idea of where and what size tools you need. Once you take those out, there's a little push pin here. You're gonna have to remove that from this one right here. And basically, you know, it's gonna be a little harder, but that's basically all you have to do to move it and get it out. Let me show you. And over here, it is connected to the alternator. So that looks like that's a 12 millimeter. You take that off, and it comes out. Well, it's basically out. You see what I'm saying? See, basically. Actually, I'm sorry. You don't even have to do that. You could just leave that there. Unless it's in the car, it's a little tighter. You could just take that one off, you know, and then it'll release this, and then you can change your starter, and it goes right in there. So looking in the engine bay, it's under. Of course, like I said, it's going to be harder to do, but once you know where the bolts are and, you know, and what the job entails, it won't be too bad. All right, guys, stick around for more videos on this engine. This is Motor Car Nut 2020. I'll see you later. Thank you.